Hey everyone, welcome back to another CPA marketing tutorial. So in this video, I will share with you how you can pick an offer. So if you are using CPA Build, if you are using CPA content looking platforms, the strategy will work with you perfectly and you will get an amazing return on your investment. And I will share with you how you can create a landing page. I will share you where you can get the traffic, and this is the most important part of this video, so stick around and make sure to watch this video till the end and give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. So let's get started. So as you can see right here, I am on fplus.com CPE offers search engine or something like that. So in this platform you can find any CPA offer in the internet in this industry. They have right here thousands or tens of thousands of CPA offers. So as you can see right here, I just as you can see on the filter, I set up single opt-in offers. So as you can see right here, I have a lot of CPA single opt-in offers. For example, let's choose one. For example, let's go with something similar to what kind of offers we have on CPABUILD, something like sweepstakes and all of this stuffs, or some survey stuffs right there. So as you can see, we have cost per lead, intensity. Okay, let's go with some offers with no dating offers, please. Let's see something like iPhone, yeah, like this one. This is a CPA offer from Zedo CPA network, and it's paying $2.6 as a commission. So good. How we can create a landing page if we choose this offer right here? If you are using CPA Build, you can use this platform to get more ideas about more offers in other networks. So you can create an account, for example, with Zedo to start promoting this product if you like it, and if you think that you are able to promote it and to get good conversions on it, because this is not a content locking platform. This is a direct promoting, or a direct, you have to use direct link, not content locker with this platform, which is good because sometimes content locker is not that good. You know, it's not a good strategy to promote direct offers or one offers. So as you can see right here, we have this offer. For example, how we can create a landing page. Here is how we can create it, is by using Google Sites platform. You don't have to pay any monthly or annual plan. You don't have to create or to pay to pay anything. You don't have to insert your credit card. It's really easy because it's from Google and it's a free tool to use, which is really good, and it's really professional, and I will show you how you can create a landing page. It's really easy. For example, let's say it's about win an iPhone 30 in Italy. So make sure your landing page supports the language of the target audience. For example, it's in Italy, so you can use Google Translate for this. So as you can see right here in the background, just click on change image and go to select image, and it's really easy to find images. Just go to search and click something like iPhone, I'm sorry, 30, something like this, and boom, we have a lot of, and boom, and as you can see, just double click on it and you will change the background image, as you can see right here. It's really easy. So this is how you can create a landing page using this platform. And here is how does it looks on mobile. It's really good. It supports all of the format, all of the devices, really good, with no problems, as you can see, for $0, which is really good. So as you can see, here is how does it looks, and make sure to enter your affiliate links in many different places, so this way you get as much as possible of clicks on your affiliate link. So now let's talk about the traffic source that you're gonna use. In this video, I recommend you to use Taboola to promote CPE offers, or even CPE Build content locking offers. But with this network, I would not recommend you to use content locker, because maybe they will not allow you to promote this kind of of landing pages with content locker. So make sure to promote, or to do some direct CPA marketing with no content locking. So because in their terms or in their politics, they say that you don't have to lock any content on your landing page, and this is what you have to do. So just go directly. You can use direct links from CPABuild. It's really easy, and this is why I like CPABuild, because they give you two options. You can go with direct links and you can go with content locker. So it's really good. So as you can see, why I recommend for you this platform, because you can get traffic from USA Today. Imagine your CPA offer ad will appear in this website. USA Today, the Weather Channel, NBC, MSN, Business Insider, Bloomberg, so CBS News, Fox. So it's a really high quality traffic source to purchase traffic for. And don't be aware or scared when I'm talking about purchasing traffic, because I know most of people that are using CPABuild are beginners, and they start being scared when they are talking or they are listening somebody recommending for them to purchase traffic. But look at this case study right here, or at this campaign. I just get this image from the internet. So as you can see, this person spent only $70 to get 4,000 clicks. Yes, it's not pop-ups or all of this kind of low quality traffic. It's native ads traffic. 4,000 clicks for $70. It's a great cost per click. As you can see, he paid for the click only 0.018, yes, 0.018 CPC on the average, which is really good. So it's really a good combination to use CPABuild with this landing page from Google for free, and to purchase traffic from Taboola. It's a great strategy, and I hope it's gonna work for you. So right now I want to show you something, because you stick around with this video and you watch it till the end. I will leave a link in the description where you can get some great coupons and some great deals in many different platforms that you can use. So if you don't want to use Google landing page builder, which is Google Sites, you can create your website using Bluehost, as you can see right here. And if you are actually, as you can see right here, we have 50% off on your hosting and more. Just use this affiliate link. This is our affiliate link, right? So you support us by using our affiliate link to use Blogger or to purchase Bluehost. Bluehost, website builder, Bluehost hosting, all of the stuffs you can get them for 50% off. So you will pay only 50% of the normal price. It's the same with Helium 10 if you are doing some Amazon businesses. Clickfunnels as well, Jingle Scout. You can do it with the Hostinger as well. Just click on Hostinger, just go to the website and choose the platform you are interested in, and you will find an affiliate link or a promo code right here. Right here we have a promo code for Hostinger. It's 73% off your order on Hostinger by using this Candy promo code. In the future we will make sure to add more and more products, so this way we can afford coupons for everyone. So that was everything for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.